demonstrating my car. Why you use that white car? Hey, I don't want the white car. This is for. That's a guy. Sunset car and nothing. Sports car, super duper. Vroom. Don't destroy the car. Watch out. That is gross. What's it? Yeah, not cruising. Not bad. Standing and nothing. Not bad. What is? Mitsubishi and nothing. I want SUV. Mitsubishi Montero Sports. A taxi driver? Nope, I can still drive to my job. I want. What's another car? Boom. Yeah. A car. Don't push. I'm not 8. I'm a maxinful. No. Driving easy again. Boom. Bye bye. Just still. Hey, I'm watch out. Let me up, but you're still driving slowly. Boom. Hey, you're still not good. Hey, I'm driving easy. What are you doing, bro? Hey, it's turn 0. Not extra. No, you still. Okay, you still break my job. Hey, a bone car. Yay. 8 car sporty. Wow, super duper. Okay, what? You talking my hair? Hey, my bumper. Wait my minute. Pro car is any moment. Look, Norman car. Boom! Super duper. 8 car turning. There's no bug here. I don't make a bug car. This is bad. Look, the sky is colorful. Not. Hey, excuse me. Beep beep. No way. You're still driving too slowly. Okay, 8 car. Boom. Hey, you still broke my job. I don't buy it. I want one rich. Heck a one. Stupid bro. Bye bye. Boom. 8 car. Bye bye. Bye bye 8 car. See you tomorrow. Yeah. What the heck? What the heck? Heck car? Heli car? No. This is broke SUV. This is Explorer. Okay, Abby. Boom! You still broke. Hey, car! Hey, boss! You broke in my car! Why? What are you doing? Boss, you destroying my car! Watch out! Why the engine go inside there? My explore this. I will state it robbery. 8. What is out? This is my job. Boom, super duper. Boom. Ew. Heck a car. Boom. Hey. This is broken. It's not burger. What is this? Boom. Super duper! Not crush it my car. I said don't crush it my car. This is mine. My next car. This is brother and mother to place in the truck. Bye bye bro. Hey, let me jump into driver. That way. 8 cars, 147, plate number 3, many car. So what too many signs in my car? Wait, too many signs. I said too many signs. No car. What the hell? Hand car? Girl. I want girl car. Girl car. Girl car. Girl car inside the car. This is destroying the car. And then it's returning the explorer. Boom! Super accident. Now you subscribe for channel. What the hell? What the heck is car? That car and car? I don't want egg car. This is bad. Lamborghini. Boom! Not crushing the car. Everyday accident and watching in the TikTok. This is bad accident, dog. This is bad accident. You know that? Okay, I'm so stuck here. Boom. No way, bro. Boom. Why the what is there's no area the glass here? What's the sounds? Oh, alarm! Hey! Why you still broke my car? Bad car, look out! Hey, you still broke my job. I need one more. What's this turn the signal? Methane car. Nothing. Mountain. Oh wow, it's turned in the mountain. See you tomorrow. Boom. Don't pen cars. Don't pen cars. Wow, turn accident. My stomach is full. Hello, car. What's this? That's groovy. Super duper. You can broke my job. I don't go here. This is bad. Look, please open the bonnet. You bought my car. This is not my job. This is not my job. Yeah. Hey, hello, good afternoon. Over there, I'm in the mountain here. See you come top. Go still light. What is this? What broke it? It's me. Skating car. Boom. Ding dong. Bong bong car. Boom. You didn't lose my job. Boom. Safe car. Bye bye. What done? Healthy. What is not working? Why the engine is broken? It's not working. The gas is full because it's still to pushing the car. Why the glass is gone? Because it's too crushing. Okay, done. Boom. So, I want the wagon. I don't. See? You see that? In the clouds? Hey, there's the airplane here. Hey, you broke my car. Anything? Why the engine is gone? There's no engine here. You lost my job here. The engine is gone. Wow. The wheels in the bedrock. Uh-oh, it's turned the sky underground. Okay, boss. You're not listening. You are bad driver. I'm not bad driver. I'm good driver. Cannot. I'm still mad. Wait, car. XL7 car hatchback. What? Boom! Last gun. Boom! Hey, there's antenna in the back. Mountain. Core. Sugar. Wow, this is great. Where's the engine? Where's the engine? X-ray it. Hey, the bus is coming. Wow, boom! Super extra cruising. Boom! I don't say it crashed. It said CRUSH is returning this. I'm not. What's the glass is here? The glass is gone. How to crush it? Not yet done. This is lose my job. Ooh, spin wheel in the back. Dong, dong, dong. Hey, you still broke my job. Go out there. Sorry, Sarah. I crushed it. I don't drive safely because it's so hard. Why say it's so hard? Brown car? I don't. I want SUV sunset car. It's plate number GA4A47. This is I put this the plate number because the kids inside there in my back. Oh, wait a minute here. The engine still go to outside here. Look, bumper is trying to eat. Wow. Be closer. Hand car. Boom. Ow. What is my spin wheel? Here. Over there. There's no here. Bug here in my car. Come closer. Nissan Skyline. New brand. Please subscribe for channel.